I've got her.
Yay!
Playing Alice Horton, please welcome Romola Garai.
Hi, we're so excited for the film. Oh, good. Can I get a picture with you? Yeah. Hi, Romola, would you mind?
Ladies and gentlemen, playing Edith, please give a huge welcome to BAFTA award-winning Helena Bonham-Carter. Please give a huge London welcome to award-winning actress Anne-Marie Duff. I'm ready. Please welcome BAFTA-nominated director Sarah Gavron. taking the role of Maud's husband Sonny, please welcome Ben Whishaw. And Faye Ward, welcome. How does it feel to be here tonight, Alison?
It's really exciting.
Project to be part of, and as you say, very important to you, but also extremely powerful, extremely dramatic. I would have thought a very difficult job. Tell me about it.
Well, you know, to me, the movie is about a war. The movie is the story of a war that starts in the mid-19th century and carries on in the 20th century until the generation of my mothers. And it's a long, long time. You see, it's 150 years of...
It brings tears to my eyes every time. And also the ending, I have to say, which is not a scene at all, but also I won't give the game away, but that always makes me cry.
I mean, you mentioned the storyline with the little boy, and you know, that's a case in point. I think this is an important story for boys and for men too, don't you?
Oh, it's incredibly important. And the thing about it is that women have to be empowered. And if women are empowered, mothers are empowered, their children are empowered, and that's what's important.
I'm here with Suffragette producers Alison, Owen and Faye Ward. Welcome. How does it feel to be here tonight?
Perspective of where we are now, and that's what I love. The film loops back round to today and says, this is how far we've come and this is how much further we have to go.
Well, congratulations and thank you so much. Have a great night. Thank you, Carey.
Cheers.
I'm making the film, and then for it to be born here tonight, you know, not only is it a film about suffragettes, it's also a film about London. So this is where it should exist, you know, and so I think that's what makes it even.
Same with Abi Morgan, you know, in the writing of it, that he was given latitude to have his own truth for as long as it lasts. And that's what was fascinating for me. It was a complicated thing to take on.
Absolutely, he is a truly complex.
Well, I think it's obviously still pertinent. And from obviously we saw from the protest tonight, it's obviously in more than one direction. You know, people seem to take too long to listen and won't listen until people get way beyond fury. And I think that's really what people can begin to understand, and if only you could listen before you're absolutely made to do it, you know, with somebody's head on your...
Now, George, do you like barley sugar?
I had done a film set in the First World War, so I knew bits, but we had a very helpful historian come to speak to us in the rehearsal who gave us a really interesting perspective on sort of working class life, particularly in London at the time. And that really illuminated a lot for me and helped me to